Welcome to Horizon Site Pro. Today we are going to cover how to create an internal user in our software. So here we are at the dashboard. Starting point, we go over to the sidebar, little image of the man here. Internal users, we can click on that, or if we click the plus sign, that's a short link to create one. We'll click here and this will show up a list view of people we have created already. We can go and show the user, we can edit them. But up here in the corner, we create user. And this is what we add. So we'll enter their user email. We'll enter their name. And again, this is employees, anybody that works in your company. We have areas for clients and subs and vendors, and those are separately, and we'll go over those in other videos. And we'll enter a phone number as well for them. And this is a subscription, so this is your account. And now the last thing here is the access. And so you can choose what your employee is able to see in the software. It comes by default with full access, and so if you have a manager, somebody like that, you're going to want to leave them with full access. If you have somebody else working, maybe a laborer, and they only need limited information, you can then go down to this list and select what they view. Maybe you don't want them to see all the financial information of the project. You know, on creating a project, you don't want them to be able to create or edit, maybe just view. You can select that. Maybe just view contractors, but not be able to edit, delete, or create either. You can pick anything you want, give them any permissions that you want for what they can see, what they can do. And again, if you want this employee, this internal user to have full access, all you gotta do is hit the full access, hit create, and that's it. And from there you can import this user into any of the projects you create, and they'll have access to the permissions that you've set. Thanks again for Horizon Site Pro.